Ankubatangira ha version ene ndi ya Kitara TV mebali munaba kutondera amabara Julius Kyomuhendo omusajja omuliso muyi haba mwoli. Thank you so much haliho no kutuhondera munyamasa zembaga nze za Bunyoro abanyakulika Gadi Kibale Kiryandongo Kakumiro Hoima bulisa hona halo kali kwenda kuramukya winde special ninga amantu webale muno akuba oturo hakasumi kanu kanyine oteba kutusubscribing ha channel yaitu Kitara TV and of course na ka social media handles zona Facebook Twitter hona kusobora kubano tuhondera in the special of course na nyo Julius Kyomuhendo social media handles zange zona kusobora kubano ntunga tubantu rubata hamu in the special way nyina abagenya bembaganiza abenja kuba nimbanjulira in the special nyina Ronet on Ronet mumanyire Ronet Holy you're smart, yeah?
Thank you.
Wewe kuba smart nyina Caspian. Yeah. How are you doing? Bojwaire Benzi ezo nizo brand zaite za Kavyezi. Then I have Victor Rose. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are the people doing and how are you doing?
Very fine. Yeah. What brings you in Hoima? Let's start actually Bunyoro.
Yeah, Bunyoro, this is home, man. You know, we are sons of the soil, so we have to be anywhere.
Ore muzukuru wa you are from Busoga, and Busoga is from Bunyoro.
I hear we've read about the history. Yeah.
Choko tubuzeko.
Mukoba mutia abali okutubona. Bampita Victor Rose, I'm called Victor Rose, straight from the eastern side of Uganda, Bunya East. So I'm here with my brother Caspian Marvin and the beautiful Ronette.
Okay, nuko tujja ku bantu rubata version yembaganiza ha Kitara TV Ronette Holy obaramukize.
Ntinka baramukize.
Jongero baramukiyo.
Mwasiba muta abakutora Kitara TV banita Ronette Holy the Western Property mwana wanyu wa Mukahana.
Linda oketa kali ya Western Property.
Yeah, nkesanga and that property everywhere.
The vocalist.
The vocal property.
Vocal property. Caspian, you understand Runyoro?
A bit.
Eh? Okay, you can speak.
Runyoro?
No, okay.
No, I can't. Abantu be Bunyoro nze bamutaka Caspian Marvin de Istanbul era nabasazeko wano mu Bunyoro kigenda kubeera Magda. Yeah, man.
Okay, thank you so much. Ndikomba bagambire tu ina Ronette Holy, Caspian na Victor Rose. Victor Rose. Yeah. How did you get to know Ronette Holy? Do you have a project you're working on?
Yeah, we try to organizing a tour and to come to Bunyoro. You know, I'm doing a national media tour. So we started with the eastern side, then now we are in the Bunyoro region. You know, whenever I visit these different regions, I try to link up with a few artists.
Yes.
A few DJs, a few artists, a few media personalities like you now. So Mbanjaga just building a relationship with different people and cool people, you know. Yeah, so that's how we happened to link up with her. I knew that she's doing good these ends. So anyambeko on my tour nange wanabayi anachiyetaze Kampala oba Busoga. Yeah,
man, I just watched your video in this series. Within 5 days it has Rimba Rukola Bulungi, it has about 100.
It's 100k views, I think.
This is your latest song.
Yeah.
How is it doing?
It's doing good, and it's the tour we are on, like to this serious media tour. Yeah, so I'm just grateful, like it's moving well.
What really inspires you Muzino project Zokula? Because you're one of the artists who does projects nga toliko pressure, by the way. I've seen artists who release music nga baliko pressure simanyi bino bichi. I remember when you're coming, you are branding you as TikTok artist, right? And you have persisted. What really inspires you and what drives you?
For me, I came before TikTok.
Yeah. Corona, I think, was it Corona?
Zanajja 2019 then Corona nalyo katuyingirira just tinga nakakuba we ati nbalyo kabatulookinga so sichibyo kuntwalira awo nange kubeera na chakira nnyo mu moment abantu abasinga okuntegeera bantegeerera awo though I came a little bit. Man, it's all about doing you, like being you, doing what you feel, you know. Nga toli mukugoba, you know, in this world you're not in a race with anyone. Oli mulugendo lwo, like you're racing with your own abilities, you know. So it's not a competition. Life is not a competition. You have to just do you, be you, do things that matters to you. Yeah, so I keep my buzz always low. Se wanika jesa asobole ku maintaininga ate era siyingira nnyo bitankwatako. That's why you say I do things on low pressure. Yeah.
Kakati, you have a big song apparently in this series, and before the end of this year or early next year, are we expecting that maybe it could be 4 years or 3 years of Victor Rose, a big concert?
That's something we have to plan about. But right now, I'm just going to give you music, like back-to-back music. I think we should resort to the first times, you know, where I used to drop you music, bangers after bangers. So tugenda soka tukole music, then ebya concert we binaba mukama nga abirese nga tu feelings nti it's ready, then we shall. Yeah.
Okay, Caspian.
Yeah.
Victor Rose just told me you have a song with him, Tattoo, right?
Yeah.
How did you connect up with Victor Rose? You know these artists, nga you're already there. Sometimes you need money to do a collabo. How did you work with Victor Rose?
First of all, we got to know each other from studio. Yeah, and through vibes, through same vibes, I did a song and he kind of liked it and he was like, why don't I work on this one? I was like, oh, it's okay. Yeah, nampa collabo. Nah, we didn't pay anything. Oh, man.
Kakati, you already have oinayi ku nyimbe endala singles?
Yeah, ina nyimbe zakabi eyo. Nga zi Power Rangers chi abana bazimanyira bajazinonyako on all my streaming platforms jeziri and my social handles. Yeah, man.
Gwe wakati we Ronet.
Right.
Na Victor Rose mu kuchumba ki, do you have something because you're doing well hano locally, and of course twakwendeze maybe on the other bigger platforms. Can we expect something with big Victor Rose? Banzo tusunire haho
bagamba ba mwana mugezi nko bwana waki bwenjoka nanye nikiondoho baito kinkusagamba bakutura Kitara TV. Expect a lot of things from me and Victor Rose. Actually the management at large tukuchumbe bintu bingi kandi bwire bokujja maisa mujja kwani murora guno mwezi gwese tugambe guli bize muno guli bize muno mugweri
kyakora kuli hananka na is it a night yaki eba yakabare resort
na ugamba live band. I'm a live band artist, fine, but I'm a guest live band artist.
Kengere.
I'm a guest live band artist. Yeah.
Okay.
But I know nkora. But no nkora live.
Okay. Our fans ba okubagamba yoki. What is your latest project?
My latest project is called Some Love. Ronet Hole atesire kizinekyo kigenda mwezi ngira I think. Baketa Some Love. Mukisagenda all social media platforms. Ronet Hole official, you will find it there. Kandi nebingi wikeija I'm going by the ngenda releasing videos. Guno mwezi kutaka hoile. Byana nebyo tukuchumba mto wenu by the
Okay, Victor Rose. You have worked with a couple of producers, right? Producer Chigo Gamanti have whenever worked with this one, it is always fire, it is always soft for me.
You know, for me, I work with producers who are my friends. Like I rarely work with someone whom I don't feel like
you don't feel
with. Yeah. So I love working with friends, you know. That's why these people are all my friends. That's why we are here together. So if you're not my friend, bro, you're not getting me, because me, I value friendship first before business. Yeah. So all my producers are my friends. So everyone Nayok Singh Dala, I think we connect more with One Blessing. One Blessing and Paki. Yeah, those ones, we are two tight friends. Because these people are the ones who knew me before I became who you see. Yes. So we share a lot of memories together, and it's always respect when we meet.
Chanja uruchi, what is the chicha chiri in the east? We have Victor Rose, we have Acidiki, and the rest of the people. Chichi chemuine ufite what we don't know.
Ekiri kitya.
Musically.
Nze ndowooza just munaye ffe oba background is a feel like our backgrounds. You know, for us we are raised from embeera gye tukuliramu etuleetera okuwanya ebirowoozo creativity. Let me say that because mwana Eastern biralamu tebiringa regions endala. Actually I think Eastern and Northern regions are ziri mu mbeera ndala nnyo than the Central and the Western side. So era olaba abantu abasinga olaba abali bannabitone abasinga, if you to go into it basinga kuva mu Eastern and Northern side. Not only as musicians but footballers, whatever, babaduka, athletes. Yeah, most of them are from Eastern, Northern. You know why? Because man, I think we have limited opportunities. So we grew up knowing, man, I have to find something else. I have to attach myself.
No kuva in this situation,
yeah,
and I make it.
Yeah. So ndowooza ekikuleetera okutakula emitwe always okula kikulimu already. Yeah.
Then okay, regarding that now, have you tried to kubaka abana abalala in your area, bokwatako maybe musically no collab over something like that?
Caspian is from the Eastern.
Oh, this one is from Eastern.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are trying, man, you know, mu busobozi bwobutonotono obosobola woba olina kyosobola okola okikola. Yeah, and that's what we are doing.
Okay, now really when we were starting I was trying to ask you what really inspires your music. Botunulira for example now on the serious nakowe bikomando njagala love what inspires your writing? Just like I understand you write your music, right? What inspires the writings?
Just like I said, like for environment yetukuliramu yetu driving okola ebintu byetukola in most cases. Like for example embanga ndi wano nesanga olinga ali wali mu bwenze kama nti ali mu bwenze ensanga olinga wali mu love wali oli ali mu bwenze wali mu kikati. I can concentrate on one story nenji building something, you know. Wensanga abalwana wali eri wabweru ate nsobola okufocusinga kwekyo enchana enfulumya akayimba nga kali about violence.
So in most cases these are true stories byowandika? Yeah,
in most cases some of them I imagine nti nsobola okutunulira embeera neneteka mu situation, then I imagine me into being in that situation oba abagirimu neneteka mu ekyo kifaananyi. But in most of the songs mbeera inspired by the events around me. Yeah.
Chiche ekintu ever since you started 2019 have you encountered a situation no gamba what chiche kyandeta mu music? What's the situation in music?
Worst. I just said this I think last week, man. Someone formatted my music and it's not something that I'm taking easy on, you know.
As in on an external
my hard disk. I don't know who did it, but I think it's among the people that I trusted the most, people who were close to me. I believe that.
Even your demos.
Of course, my music was having my hard disk was having everything that I record. But simanyi yakikola naye it's the worst. I think it's the worst. It's the worst.
And when you find yourself in such a situation, how do you treat it? Nga uvuddeko kati nga waliwo ekikunyiziza, how do you treat the situation?
You know man, nze nekintu kinayiga okuva eri mama wange ne data okusingira ddala muzeeyi wange. I don't react when I'm excited. You know, excitement eba ya mirundi ebiri. When you're heated and when you're excited, you know, oba oyasenga onyiize nnyo, I don't react. Like sisalawo, I don't make decisions when I'm heated and when I'm excited, because in most cases kyobogenda okola kiba tekirina makulu.
And you regret after the situation.
Yeah, so bino byenjja okunyumya, these things happened last year, but I didn't come to talk about them, you know. Newadde time menekakanya n'obusungu bwe nali nina ne bukakkana that right now I can come and openly talk about it nga si mu bubi but it's just a bad experience, you know. Naye luli singa wali ontunuza mu kamera luli obusungu bwe naye nina waitegere nti man abasajja abanyiivu naye right now I even smile when I'm talking about these things. So is anolowooza tebyabawo okitegera. So that's how I handle my situations. Si sagala ku reactinga nga kuba sometimes mu overreactinga okoleramu ensobi nga ebintu ebimu bitegedde mu bukyamu. Yeah, so I handle my things very calmly.
Kakati Victor Rhodes aina management oba these things you handle yourself?
I have a management. We have Retro Records and Cats Music.
No, I think Cats, yeah. Yeah, they run everything for you.
Yeah, we do things together. You help me here, I do this also, you know. Yeah. Then
this series is doing well. Now, what are some of the plans, Masa, after in this series?
Still kwagakogera plans zange. You know, I love surprising my people. I would like you people to just enjoy the ride, you know, not expecting a lot of things and not less expecting and not over expecting. So, I don't want to get you hyped. I just want you to enjoy the ride. Just chende say you enjoy, but we have already we have big plans and inshallah.
Now, there is a saying these days, that people want to go international. They want to, you know, we have seen people are even doing albums, they are doing media tours all over the world. Kakati, to you, Victor, are you thinking of also doing it international?
Yes, I'm doing also media tour within the country. So, you know,
like people want to be international, kuchikuba internationally.
What I think, my view about that is, let's do music, man. You know, music bikola byonna before nga tonakola birala byonna. Music bikola. Then after doing that music that we would like to sell on international scene, you can't play in those guys' league. Wobo yagala kuyingira industry ya Sweden, go to Sweden. Market your music from Sweden, play the games from Sweden. Wobo yagala kuchikuba UK, go to the UK. I don't think what these guys are doing is wrong. Like ndabanya abantu nga bakuba Rasta wafe.
Bebe cool. Let's be.
You know, I respect these big people, like those legendary guys. Those guys have inspired us, man.
Oh, now, okay, will the album work? They break the chains.
You know, olaba mu nsi muno si kirungi kuyingira kintu nga golina expectations always ziri positive zokka. You have always to expect negatives, you know. And when things fail, doesn't mean that you quit. Okitegera. Byonna biri part of the journey. For me, I believe if he consistently keep doing what he's doing, because he's doing the right thing. Everyone knows that. He's doing the right thing. These people, never funa connections, they are trying to build bridges for us, the young ones. Ndinange encha Victor when ayagala okugenda okutaking or following the same routes the Rasta is taking. Nja kugenda munonyeko mugana Rasta we wagenda egundi wakola otya wakikola otya who helped you here and there waba wa mutima mulungi ajja kunsharingira ngambe if you want to do this and this and this and this ye kiyinza okuba maybe I don't know, God forbid kiyinza obutamukolera God forbid naye ate nekikolera Caspian wakitegera nekikolera Ronet naye nga naye akoze the same thing because there is nothing like new tugenda okukola mu
kakati on that line I've seen some artists dissing this thing of the big three. That is Bebe Cool, Bobby Wine, and Chameleon. Have any of those people inspired you into your career?
Who? Bebe Cool, Bebandi, and Chameleon.
The big three.
You know, I've already told you, like, these people inspired us. Now, abali mukwefu labo na wanansimanyi bichi. Teri muyimbi mu Uganda nga teyali co-inspired by those big three. Sawa, mu myaka jaffe. Kati wali owuliriza bani. mutulimbe tuwulire
bakafeero
mbuwali owuliriza bani ngolimu eji yaffe nga tewawuliza Chameleone Bebeko na Bobby oba olimba they play those people just be joking around fooling kwefula bakabi tebagala kwogera mazima these people bakoze actually abantu betaaga tubajenga ne mu bi conversation area okitegeera those people worked really hard man and the sagala muntu a disrespecting muntu akoze nnyo it's like minga wendi mukutoba man nenwana nkola kino nkola kiri okitegeera nentuka up there nolaba omwana omutonga zenga akumanyira okitegeera that's how they look up to us man but ndoza babera nayo nebagamba nebana abaana okitegeera those people did a lot of
and in most cases woli bali woko and have
okitegeera tetulina kye tuli mukola abo kye batakola teri ngwembulira mbu kikimbu kyoli mujimbu omupyasa azineno gwe muganda nti ono yali osinga okukola ebyakabi nga kyakoze teri mu Uganda yali akikoze mwaba abanene nze mumbulire so let's just put a respect on those people's names.
Now let's zero it down here Ronette. There's some artists here aburuleireho abanyoro otakaizire. Do they play something in your career and nayo kabaroleraho nti they inspired you by way
mbayina nabanyakozere nabo it was even yesterday mukanembazana Bishop David King cause ogwali behind me I think akandwa nambanya tandikire nabuzina bakusinga hano okimayirwa I was once I think even now backup artist ningana ba David abo ba Igime you get it. Those people inspired me a lot because osanganya ne bantena na wile wendombo batu banikaza ho gamuno aho ndi backup sikono adverts kono kino wile bangi wana studio yeah mazima they inspired me.
Caspian, you have besides tattoo what is your latest project?
My latest project is called Mad Over You.
Lwaki totuwa mukapera Mad Over You?
Mad Over You.
Microphone watukuteke wana.
Mad Over You.
Vibe tuko vibe.
Mad Over You.
Yeah, bakaita Mad Over You abana bakanonyeko. Ne ino tour tujitadde nnyo kunyimba beat. That's Tattoo and Power Ranger. Kubanga abantu zasingira ddala okwagala zirenda abaja zisangayo nesinazi shootingira video.
You write your own music?
Yeah, I do write my own music. I write for others. Yeah.
Victor Rose, ngasinda bakwerabira. You write your own music. Have you written for some other artists?
Yeah, I've written for a couple of artists, though tetuwogera bintu bino because tetwe branding ngaba writer. So mbanjagala nnyo abantu ne bamanyira gye bamanyidde then eri technically ebibeerayo
no birekera ye.
Yeah.
Now is Victor a married person or actually single? What exactly? We're confused like some of us.
Single, nze nkyali single ate siri confused. Kyenkola nkimanyi.
So abantu bakunonyeko you're just concentrating on music.
Banonye omuziki. Nze munjagaza munonye omuziki mpozi ngoyagala nzije nkuyimbireko ne baby wo me I can do that. Kanka man njagala nnyo okulaba abantu abali mu love. I recommend love for you guys man. Mubere mu love.
But how do you sing love nga tuli mu love?
Nze mbeera mu love buli lunaku naye ate just in this single okubeera single tekitegeeza mbu toba mu love. There are different things. You can be single, but when you're in love.
Are you crushing on some? Do you have a celebrity crush?
Are you crushing you, man? Navirekera.
Celebrity crush.
Navirekera yoko crushing, asya crushing.
Okay, now ngenda kuweleza abayimbi basatu. Ugenda kumpa answers era ku satu. Ngenda kuwa answer soka ojja kungamba marry, kiss or throw away. Kubayimbi basatu abakyala. Twina Spice Dan.
Anti osoka kubampa bonna.
Twina Spice Dan, twina Shiba ne Lydia Jasmine. Katutandike ne Spice Dan.
Ogambye marry, kiss and
throw away.
Okay, tukalitandika.
Spice Dan.
Spice Diana. keep around.
around.
Keep around. What do you mean? Throwing away, you kiss or you marry?
You keep around. Tugateko ne keep around.
I keep around telling you. We have three artists, and the answers are 3. Yes.
Nzikirizibwa okuteeka answer 2 ku bantu babiri.
Ate kisoboka.
Lwaki nga tekisoboka?
Oba tusoke tumubuuke.
Tumubuuke.
Gende ku Jasmine.
Jasmine. I think Jasmine is kiss.
You kiss. Yes. Shiba.
Shiba you throw away because already alina relationship.
So stegeza spice you marry.
You spice you.
Auntie, that's it. Shiba you throw away. Jasmine you kiss. Spice you marry.
Yes.
What are you in relationship?
Very okay.
They're in relationship. I know mwana. Mukazi azadde n'omwana.
Shiba mufu.
You can't kiss. You can't. Nze sagala kuyingira relationship z'abantu kati bana abatalina. You can kiss one and marry one.
Okay, tuwe ya kapera ka indi serious. Rainbow Rover.
Ozi yange yafudde abantu behoima nabayimbidde nnyo nelifa. Naye kamba yimbire
mu kati. Right?
I was in Hoima last
week. Last evening you were at Danjo in Hoima, right? Yeah, okay.
So nabakubye omuziki dozi nelituka nelisakala n'okusakala.
How is he? By the way sindakubuza. How is he? Nightlife ye Hoima gisanze otya?
I think I need to study it more. Though mbalaba abayaye.
Shafiki, why don't you get Kahoima babe for Victor?
Why Kahoima babe?
It's not married.
Wamba tofuna.
How is the nightlife in Hoima?
Nightlife seem be like people are like they are lively, you know. And they keep vibing. This is my second time performing here, and I find the vibe always, you know, high.
You always get a good reception.
Yeah. So I think I need more. I need to be here more. Nyumirwemu njaga nkomeoko nga sina bya kuyimba.
There's a time I also saw you in Kagadi and the performance was good.
I think those are 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I was there.
Kagadi, yes.
Abantu beno side Bunyoro mani bona banjagala.
They welcome you as our grandchild.
Yeah, banjagala nnyo. I think bajjajja baffe batugatta batusika. Njafuna yo nettaka eno. Njafuna yettaka osanga.
Ficha jabi kwasaganya bararo no wafiki mwakwatagana mutya.
Kuyiriba. Mukuyiriba muno nga wenkusanze tudde. Enkya ne tufuuka ba brother, you know. Kati mukuyiriba muno mwe twesangira, you know, for me I love keeping people I meet along the journey, you know. So sagala kuluzinga abantu balungi. Kati muntu wandaga nti mulungi manjagala mu keeping.
Kati edobozi ngabo lifudde tuyinza obutafuna.
Kapera njakkabawa.
Kandi serious katuwe.
I fell in love with you then and today, ay. Baby chenkusaba onesige. Manyika tiononya difference. Ne wempala nyosi bye defense. Manyika tiononya difference. Hey, but I can be your baby. I go treat you better. Tugale watch up tenka de tukole kumasape. That's how it goes.
Victor, when you're not in music, when you're not in studio, obera okola biki?
Mbera nyonze waka man. Ate nsomera waka.
You're still studying?
Yeah, nsomera nnyo ku computer yange. So mbere waka nze stambula by the way. Yeah.
If someone wants to make you happy, kiki kyalina okukolera? What makes you happy?
Ampatraka nga yakabi nagamba giwandiike.
Kyo kisinga okusemsa.
Kisingira ddala mpozi n'emmere.
Emmere kijjo singa okwaga.
N'emmere ompe emmere yana batonkoze bubi. Emmere nze yonna just I'm not I don't eat meat, just sirya nyama. N'emmere sigadde.
Njakuwa eddagala because nange nali sirya.
Head. What is head?
Oh no. Okay, Victor, have you written some music in Lusoga? You have some songs in Lusoga?
Yeah. I've got a couple of songs in Lusoga, though. badisikolangayo kayimba ka love nga ka Lusoga kati ngenda kukolayo obuyimba bw'omukwano nga bwa Lusoga. I think people will receive them very 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 politely. Yeah.
Kali nga tumaliriza this episode Caspian.
Yeah.
What are ebigambo ebisembayo to your fans? Yes.
Abantu beno mu Western abasinga obungi kale nsinze nnyo kufuna emikwano nga people from East. Simanyi lwaki wa vibes zinsuule eno.
No, but actually it is normal in most cases. Do you know that in most cases abantu bewaka they don't receive us like
So and I'll tell you this like openly. Tubera nnyo on tour, like we visited the Western side more than we visited the Eastern. Like business wise, we get a lot of gigs from
this side more compared to Eastern.
Ate ne chinchina eno Hoima they are lifeists. Budyo genda bala ku bala.
N'abantu bali hospitable man. Sina muntu gwe nasanze wano nga alina embwa. Abantu naye waliyo region zogenda nga
they don't welcome people. Yeah, I understand.
So the Hoima njagaziza nnyo kubeera kino. Abaana gye bali
boba toli mufumbo
bakuba nti batambula kiro. Bakuba nti nino omukyala
bimalanga.
Nino omukyala naye naye abakazi bonna mikwano gyange naddanya abo abatambula ekiro kuba nange emisana sitambula.
You know what I've loved about Hoima people, you know, bulijja tuyogenda Victor gulako ettaka okitegeera. I love that. I think it's the first region it will like a
you need to buy. My friend really Puzzle got some on that along Hoima Kampala Road.
Naye baba buli omwe amwogerako ayitekako ekipande
mukwano gwaffe wanene. Yes. So
abantu be Hoima, abantu be Bunyoro at large, thank you so much for the love. Yeah, I appreciate. Yeah man.
Ronet. Is it Ronet?
Julius. Amata Ronet Holly. Kandi
Bato bugarumindi buli buta.
Iyo burorot.
Bugarumindi buli buta.
Abarozi nnyo n'abakitara TV tubagonza muno mwebale muno. By the way Julius, ngenda kusima abantu on your behalf. Mwebale muno kugonza.
Thank you.
Mwebale muno gonza Kitara TV. Mwebale muno gonza Olimi Original, mwebale muno gonza Bunyoro Music, kandi mwebale muno kugonza Baronet Holy fans. And expect a lot from me. Guno mwaka kutaka hoyi nikiongera kubasubizeki ekintu. Nkatandika
was it a listeners party, listeners something?
Yeah, something like that.
So this year next year turatingira akolo pingia
kwa msoke mulize music
tuanze tulinde
msoke mulize music mutalinda msoke mulize music muragihuliriza ngeri nkuhura na nyonja kusemerwa ngambe yes let me do this for the people.
Victor Rose sibula abantu as we wind up the show.
Yeah, mwebale nnyo kutwagala. First of all, thank you for loving us, man. We really appreciate. And on music wa fono wo mutima wa you know wa love. Mutuwe bookings man. We tuje tubayimbire to making a love official. Abali serious mwena nganze. You should book us number yesimu eyo ku bookinga Victor Rose wo mwagadde. This is my management business line, you know. Eli 0704 54 76 13 07 04 54 76 13. Eyo ojikuba ko bogena konfuna ba praise for business man.
They call for business.
Yeah, bamu bakubira ne batuweza bu nudes.
Someone might call you midnight.
Not even calling, like they send nudes babana bo bwalo bamani. Zanaga la yebere.
I don't kusumbua.
I manage like you get our music from all digital streaming platforms. Like Victor Rose or so from anywhere, Apple Music, Audiomack, Boom Play, Spotify, and the same as Caspian Marvin. Just search the name Caspian Marvin. You'll get the music everywhere.
When I posted the flyer for this show, some guy from I think was from Masindi told me you are his friend. What is his name?
Yeah, ngawe nagambye nti nemikwano mingi eno. abamu batandika nga bafaanyi ne kati netukula kati bafuuka bakyali bange. I have a lot of friends in Western region. Mbara Hoima Kagaji every fort just nange ekintabula nebuzo bandi wenu. Yeah.
Okay. Mwebale muna baikale ni mutondera ku rugali tukatandikire geo ni this episode of Kitara TV. Mabara mbaire Julius Kyomuhendo mbaire na Victor Rose, Ronet Hori hamwe na Caspian. Thank you so much. Baitu nkubajukiza to subscribe on our channel YouTube Kitara TV. Hono tuondere Facebook Kitara TV.
Personal handles I'm subscribing right now.
Yeah. Personal handles zange Julius Kyomuhendo ja kuntoza hona hali tukalia ni Moses TikTok vibe ho ya amani muno and turubate itwena. Thank you so much. Masindi people, we see you later on this evening. You're going to be there.
Yeah, we are going to be at Chobe
Grill.
So pull up, man. You come.
So Masindi, we're coming through this evening. Kubasima babairo for the launch of Kabare Garan Club, Babaire Resort Hotel. Thank you so much. Inywena. Let's meet in another program at Kitara TV. Mabara Julius Kyomuhendo mbale muno. I sign out. Bye.
Kitara TV, kwegesa kumanyisa.
I fell in love with you then and today, this serious baby. Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Victor Rose, Ginger Boy, and whenever I'm in Hoima, I watch Kitara TV. You too should continue watching it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel with Julius Kyomuhendo.